Have you noticed your skin thinning, fine lines turning into deeper creases, and your hands no longer healing like they used to? You're not alone, and it's not just age. It's collagen loss. After 40, our bodies naturally produce less collagen every year by as much as 1% annually, and that loss accelerates after menopause. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, this decline impacts not just wrinkles, but also bone strength, wound healing, and even cognitive clarity. You might have been told collagen peptides are the answer, but is that really true? In today's video, we're going far deeper. You'll learn the real science behind collagen loss and what rebuilds it, misconceptions about collagen supplements and topical creams, the truth about vitamin C and a little-known fruit that boosts skin elasticity, and a personal story from my clinical background you won't want to miss. Stay to the end, because knowing this could change how you age. Walk into any supplement aisle or scroll through beauty ads online, and you'll be bombarded with promises. Collagen peptides reverse wrinkles, drink your way to younger skin, or $130 creams that rebuild collagen overnight. It's an industry worth billions. But here's the truth. Most of these claims are not backed by solid science. Collagen is indeed essential. It's the structural protein that keeps our skin firm, our joints cushioned, and our bones strong. But taking collagen peptides doesn't guarantee your body will turn them back into usable collagen. Why? Because collagen is a protein, and like all proteins, it gets broken down into amino acids during digestion. It doesn't travel through your bloodstream as whole collagen and suddenly repair your skin. That's not how human biology works. The Journal of Clinical Nutrition explains that dietary collagen must be broken down and then reassembled, a process that requires several cofactors, the most critical of which is vitamin C. Without it, your body can't properly build collagen, no matter how much powder you scoop into your smoothie. Many of the studies promoting collagen supplements are small, funded by manufacturers, or lack long-term data. In contrast, long-standing research from institutions like Harvard Medical School and the Linus Pauling Institute focuses more on nutrients that activate collagen synthesis, such as vitamin C, zinc, copper, and certain amino acids like glycine and proline. What's more, history has already shown us the failure of protein-only diets. Take 18th century sailors, for example. Millions developed scurvy, a disease caused by collagen breakdown due to vitamin C deficiency. They weren't lacking protein. They were lacking the tools to build collagen. So while the beauty industry sells you the final product, your body needs the raw materials and the right conditions to actually make it work. That's why focusing only on supplements, without addressing the foundational nutrients and cellular processes, is like trying to build a house with bricks but no mortar. Coming up next, we'll explore the real hero behind collagen production and why it's been overlooked for decades. While collagen gets all the spotlight in anti-aging commercials, the unsung hero behind the scenes is vitamin C. Without it, your body physically cannot make or maintain collagen, no matter how much collagen you consume. Here's how it works. Collagen is formed through a complex biological process that relies on specific enzymes to stabilize its structure. Two critical enzymes, prolyl hydroxylase and L-lysyl hydroxylase, require vitamin C as a cofactor. These enzymes are responsible for a process called hydroxylation, which helps collagen molecules form tight, triple helix shapes. Without this shape, collagen is weak, brittle, and easily broken, like a rope that's unraveling. This isn't speculation. It's well-established science. According to the National Institutes of Health (NIH), vitamin C is absolutely essential for proper collagen synthesis and maintenance. It doesn't just help build new collagen, it also protects existing collagen from oxidative damage. Think about that. Not only can vitamin C help your body produce new collagen, it also helps defend what's already there. Now consider this. Collagen supplements became popular in the 1970s, but people have lived for thousands of years with healthy skin, bones, and joints without them. How? Through diets rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods. Traditional cultures consumed fruits, vegetables, seeds, and herbs, all high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Longevity wasn't achieved through expensive powders, but through balanced nutrition and active lifestyles. Here's a practical example. 1 cup of strawberries contains nearly 150% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Kiwi, bell peppers, oranges, and papayas are also powerhouses. Even broccoli and Brussels sprouts are rich sources. That's why people who eat a fruit and vegetable-heavy diet tend to have firmer, healthier skin, even without ever touching a collagen product. In clinical settings, vitamin C has been used to improve wound healing, reduce inflammation, and even support post-surgical recovery. A study published in the International Journal of Dermatology found that topical and oral vitamin C can improve skin elasticity, hydration, and reduce the appearance of fine lines over time. And if you've ever wondered why smokers age faster, it's because smoking depletes vitamin C levels rapidly. In fact, according to the Linus Pauling Institute, smokers require up to 35% more vitamin C daily just to maintain basic health. So while collagen gets the credit, vitamin C does the heavy lifting. It's the construction manager, the quality control expert, and the bodyguard for your collagen. When we think about collagen, most of us picture plump, youthful skin. But in reality, collagen is so much more. It's the most abundant protein in your body, making up nearly 30% of your total protein mass. It's quite literally the biological glue that holds you together. Inside your skin, collagen forms a strong, fibrous matrix beneath the surface. It's what gives your skin structure, elasticity, and the ability to bounce back after movement or pressure. Think of it like scaffolding under a building. When a structure is solid, the outer surface looks smooth and firm. But when collagen breaks down, that scaffolding weakens, leading to sagging skin, fine lines, and slower wound healing. Here's where things get more fascinating and more urgent for anyone over 50. Your body is constantly remodeling collagen. That means it's breaking it down and rebuilding it day after day. According to research published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology, about 2% to 4% of your skin's collagen turns over daily, while tendons, ligaments, and bone collagen turn over more slowly, roughly 5% to 10% per year, depending on your activity level, nutrition, and age. This remodeling process is energy-intensive and nutritionally demanding. Your body doesn't just need protein. It needs specific amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, along with key cofactors like vitamin C, zinc, copper, and manganese to stabilize and cross-link the collagen fibers. Without these nutrients, your body can't complete the collagen assembly line. Imagine trying to bake a cake with flour and sugar, but no eggs or heat. You won't get a cake. Likewise, your body can't produce strong, functional collagen without the full toolkit. And collagen doesn't just sit in your skin. It forms 80% of your tendons and ligaments, 30% of your bones, and 60% of your eye structures, including the cornea and sclera. Even your blood vessels contain collagen in their walls, which is why low collagen levels can contribute to bruising, bleeding, and weak capillaries. As we age, two things happen that compromise collagen even further. One, that our production slows down, especially after menopause. 2. Destructive enzymes increase, like matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, which break down collagen in response to UV exposure, pollution, stress, and inflammation. If you've ever wondered why sun damage causes wrinkles, this is it. UV rays activate MMPs, which degrade collagen and elastin, weakening the skin's foundation. According to the British Journal of Dermatology, collagen loss from sun exposure can be observed within hours, not weeks or months. And this isn't just cosmetic. Reduced collagen also means slower wound healing, less joint support, weaker bones, and impaired mobility. For older adults, that could mean higher risk of falls, fractures, or extended recovery times after injury. So when you think about collagen, don't limit it to a wrinkle cream or supplement bottle. Think of it as an essential infrastructure, one you need to protect and nourish every single day. In clinical practice, a recurring pattern emerges among older adults, especially women post-menopause, who experience thinning skin, increased bruising, slower wound healing, and chronic fatigue. While these are often dismissed as normal aging, research shows they are frequently tied to micronutrient deficiencies, most notably vitamin C and zinc. A large cross-sectional study published in Nutrients, 2017, found that approximately 40% of U.S. adults over age 60 fail to meet the estimated average requirement for vitamin C, with women being especially at risk. This is significant because vitamin C is required for the enzymatic hydroxylation of proline and lysine, a process essential for stabilizing and cross-linking collagen molecules. The Journal of Wound Care, 2016, documented that even subclinical vitamin C deficiency can lead to increased capillary fragility and delayed wound healing in elderly patients. When vitamin C is lacking, the skin becomes less resilient, bruises form more easily, and recovery from minor injuries can take 2 to 3 times longer than in nutrient-replete individuals. In parallel, a 2014 review in Dermatology emphasized that zinc plays a critical role in DNA repair and inflammatory regulation, both of which are essential to skin and connective tissue health. Zinc deficiency has also been shown to impair the function of fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing new collagen. Many patients report using collagen supplements or expensive topical creams, but studies like the randomized clinical trial published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology, 2019, have shown that collagen peptide intake without sufficient co-nutrients like vitamin C yields limited improvement in skin elasticity or moisture. In contrast, when oral vitamin C is provided alongside antioxidant support, measurable improvement in skin density and hydration has been observed within 4 to 12 weeks. The takeaway is clear. Collagen synthesis is not simply a matter of consuming protein. It's a complex biochemical process dependent on cofactors, cellular function, and nutritional availability. Aging populations must prioritize foundational nutrients, not just superficial solutions, to preserve skin integrity and systemic health. In the next section, we'll explore the most effective science-backed food sources and habits that promote natural collagen production, without the marketing gimmicks. Food sources and what actually works. While the supplement industry often promotes collagen powders and anti-aging capsules as miracle solutions, the strongest evidence points elsewhere. Whole foods rich in specific vitamins, minerals, and amino acids are far more effective in supporting your body's natural collagen production. Let's start with vitamin C, which is absolutely indispensable. As detailed in a 2020 review in Nutrients, vitamin C is required for the hydroxylation of proline and lysine, 2 amino acids that give collagen its structural strength. Without this process, collagen fibers cannot form a stable, triple helix shape, and your skin loses its firmness and resilience. So where do we get it? Kiwi, papaya, oranges, and strawberries each deliver over 100% of your daily recommended vitamin C intake in a single serving. Bell peppers, particularly red and yellow varieties, provide even more, sometimes over 150 milligrams per cup, far exceeding daily needs. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts offer a double benefit. Vitamin C plus glucosinolates, compounds that reduce oxidative stress, which damages collagen. Next is zinc, a trace mineral that plays a crucial role in wound healing, inflammation control, and the activation of collagen-producing enzymes. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, mild zinc deficiency is surprisingly common among older adults, especially those consuming fewer animal products. Top food sources include pumpkin seeds, cashews, chickpeas, and beef liver. Whole grains like quinoa and oats also provide modest amounts when consumed regularly. Then we have copper, necessary for the enzyme Lysyl oxidase, which helps cross-link collagen and elastin. Sources include sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, lentils, and dark leafy greens such as kale and Swiss chard. But what about protein? Collagen is made from amino acids, so your body does need adequate protein, just not excessive amounts. The amino acids glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline are particularly important. These can be found in egg whites, bone-in fish like sardines, gelatin, and legumes. Interestingly, certain fruits like mango and grapes, with seeds, contain these amino acids in smaller amounts, but also offer polyphenol that protect existing collagen from breakdown. Lastly, antioxidants play a protective role. Polyphenol from blueberries, green tea, and pomegranates help neutralize enzymes that degrade collagen, such as matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, especially under sun exposure. In summary, collagen production is not about chasing a single superfood or powder. It's about consistently eating nutrient-dense, colorful whole foods that provide the raw materials and protective compounds your body needs to thrive. In the next part, we'll discuss topical approaches, what works, what's wasteful, and a natural remedy used for centuries that's still overlooked today. Topical skincare products are often the first line of defense people reach for when fighting wrinkles or sagging skin. While some can offer benefits, many fall short, especially when used in isolation, without addressing internal nutrient support. Among the topical options, vitamin C serums have demonstrated some effectiveness. According to a study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology, applying 5 to 20% L-ascorbic acid topically can significantly improve collagen density and reduce oxidative skin damage. However, the challenge lies in stability. L-ascorbic acid oxidizes quickly when exposed to air and light, making many over-the-counter formulations ineffective by the time they're applied. That's where aloe vera enters the picture. Used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, aloe vera gel contains vitamin C, vitamin E, amino acids, enzymes, and anti-inflammatory compounds. A 2009 double-blind, controlled trial published in Annals of Dermatology showed that oral aloe vera supplementation significantly improved skin elasticity and hydration in women over 45. While this study focused on internal use, other research supports its topical benefits in wound healing, collagen stimulation, and soothing UV-damaged skin. What sets aloe apart is its simplicity and accessibility. The clear gel inside the leaf contains glucomanins, which stimulate fibroblasts, the skin cells responsible for collagen production. It also delivers antioxidants that protect against free radical damage, a key driver of aging. Personally, I keep a live aloe vera plant at home. I cut a small section, apply the gel directly to clean skin at night, and let it absorb. It's not glamorous, but it's effective, affordable, and free from synthetic additives. While no topical can replace internal nutrition, natural remedies like aloe, used alongside a vitamin-rich diet, can support skin healing and enhance collagen maintenance from the outside in. Next, let's wrap up with a big-picture summary and what practical steps you can take starting today. If there's one lesson to take from everything we've covered, it's this: real skin health and collagen preservation start from within. While the beauty industry sells you surface-level fixes, the real science shows that your body requires nutrient synergy, not just collagen, but vitamin C, zinc, copper, antioxidants, and amino acids to produce and protect what keeps your skin, joints, and tissues strong. No single supplement or expensive cream can override what your cells truly need. Collagen peptides may offer some benefit, but without vitamin C, they're just broken down proteins. And without antioxidant protection, your collagen continues to break down faster than your body can rebuild it. Instead of chasing trends, return to the basics. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables, especially those high in vitamin C. Incorporate whole food sources of zinc and copper to support enzymatic collagen repair. Avoid smoking, excessive UV exposure, and processed sugars, all of which accelerate collagen degradation. Consider natural topicals like aloe vera to support your skin's outer layer. Aging is inevitable, but how we age is not. Invest in what your body understands: nutrients, movement, and consistency. Your skin and your future self will thank you.